The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, has reiterated its dedication to tackling the worrying surge of abduction cases across Kenya, responding to heightened public concern and calls for action from government officials. This reaffirmation follows growing scrutiny, particularly from Public Service Cabinet Secretary Justin Muturi, who recently shared his personal experience with abduction. Muturi recounted the traumatic kidnapping of his son, Leslie Muturi, in Nairobi's affluent Lavington area in June 2024. Although Leslie was eventually released, the ordeal left the family deeply shaken. Muturi's account highlighted a troubling lack of transparency, even for someone in his position as the then Attorney General, with access to intelligence networks. "I have personally suffered as my son was abducted, leaving my family in turmoil," Muturi revealed. His frustration deepened as he expressed dissatisfaction with the lack of answers regarding why Leslie was abducted, held incommunicado, and released without explanation. He criticized the government's silence, noting that it has undermined public trust in the nation's security apparatus. Muturi urged Kenya's security agencies to address critical questions. How many youths have been abducted? How many have been released? And how many remain missing? This call reflects a growing sentiment that transparency and accountability are crucial in restoring confidence in the country's ability to protect its citizens. The National Police Service has distanced itself from the abductions, yet many victims have alleged that their kidnappers were linked to security agencies. This claim has further fueled skepticism and eroded faith in the system. In response to the public outcry, the DCI assured citizens that most reported abduction cases had been investigated, with several pending court action. The agency emphasized that ongoing investigations, including Leslie Muturi's case, were being treated as high-priority matters. Regarding Leslie's case, the DCI noted that only he had recorded a statement so far and urged Muturi and others with relevant information to cooperate with investigators. The alleged case of abduction involving CS Justin Muturi's son is active before DCI Kilimani. Considering that only the son volunteered to record a statement, we wish to invite CS Muturi and any other person with information on the incident to record a statement with DCI Kilimani, the agency stated. The DCI also revealed that multiple inquiry files related to abduction cases are nearing completion and will soon be forwarded to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, ODPP, for further action. The DCI has so far opened several inquiry files that are at various stages of investigations. These cases will soon be forwarded to the ODPP upon conclusion of investigations, the agency added. This situation sheds light on the growing anxiety among Kenyans about their safety and the effectiveness of their security institutions. While the DCI's assurances are a step in the right direction, the onus remains on the government to rebuild trust through transparency, decisive action, and a commitment to protecting its citizens. The plight of families like the Muturis serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need to address these troubling incidents and hold those responsible accountable.